everyone. In today's video, we have a lot of work to do. First, we go to change the oil. Second, we go for a car wash to clean the bike to make it beautiful. And third, I'm going to Kawasaki. We are going to Kawasaki for our next project. It's gonna be a surprise. So keep your eyes on the channel because next video is gonna be with Kawasaki. Ça va, je mets ça. Ok. Hello.
Hello, YouTube video. Playing life's game, playing life's game. Cypress and sunny island, my home. Where I roam on my bike, never alone. Leather jacket shining
We finish up the oil change, and now we are at the car wash.
Turn right, then your destination will locate. Your destination is on the left.
Let's see little at Kawasaki. Alright, so we finished at Kawasaki.
Head south, then turn right. Turn right. Turn left.
I saw the Z500. We spent a little time there. And watch my next video to understand why. That's it for today. I'm outside the line, that's why I was smiling. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Come to see next video about the Kawasaki Z400 that I did today. And see you in the next one.
Riding fast down the desert road on my white naked bike, feeling bold, wind in my face, sun on my back, living life on the edge, no turning back, revving my engine, burning.